Very good morning, students. Our learning topic is probability. So today I am going to explain some important questions from that. These are very important to SSC exam and also competitive exams. Listen well. The box contains 90 discs. In the box, how many discs are there? 90. Which are numbered from 1 to 90. So, on the discs, they number from 1 to 90. Means on one disc, one number, and second disc, second number, like that. So, he numbered 1 to 90 on the discs. One disc is selected randomly from the box. So, one disc is selected. Then what is the probability to get a 2-digit number? And second question, a perfect square number, a number multiple of 5, a perfect cube number. For example, what is the first question here? A 2-digit number. A 2-digit number. In that box, how many discs are there? 90. So total possible outcomes n of s is equal to 90. So from that, what he want? He want the 2-digit number disc. First of all, 2-digit numbers. Two-digit numbers are starts from 10, 11, 12, 30 up to 90. See, number of favorable outcomes. N of E is equal to. So total numbers are 90. From that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 are 1-digit numbers. If you remove 1-digit numbers, you will get 2-digit numbers. So 90 minus 9 is equal to 81. So there are 81 2-digit numbers are there. What is the probability? Probability of an event N of E by N of S is equal to 81 by 90. So we have 81 chances from 90. 9 nines are 9 tens are. It is nothing but 9 by 10. What about the second question here? Second question, a perfect square number. A perfect square number. For example, number of favorable outcomes. What are the square numbers? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square and 10 square, so on. So 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 10 square means 100. Not a possible. Why? Because in that box only 90 discs are there. So how many chances? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 chances to get perfect square number. Then P of E is equal to N of E by N of S is equal to 9 by 90 is equal to 1 by 10. So here there are 9 perfect square numbers. Third question, a number multiple of 5. Number of favorable outcomes. So what are the multiples of 5? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85 and 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 18 chances. R. So total 90 are there. I need a multiple of 5. So 5 ones are 5, remaining 40. 5 eights are 40. So there are 18 chances. Number of favorable outcomes are 18. So N of E is equal to 18. P of E is equal to N of E by N of S is equal to 18 by 90. 18 ones are 18 by 1. So what is the answer here? 1 by 5. Next, fourth question. A cube number. First of all, what are the cube numbers? 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, so on. 1 cube means 1. 2 cube is nothing but 8. 3 cube 27. 4 cube 64. 5 cube 125. Why? Because 125 is not possible to take. Why? Because in that box only 90 numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many chances? 4 chances. N of E is equal to 4. Then probability of the event is equal N of E by N of S is equal to 4 by 90. So out of 90 there are 4 chances to get cube number. Suppose you drop a die, it random on the rectangular region. You are dropping a die on one rectangular region. Shown in the figure. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle diameter? Here in the rectangle, one circle there. You are dropping a die on that rectangle. What is the probability to drop on the region of circle? So that is a combination of two diagrams, two figures, rectangle and also circle. You have to find the probability to drop on circle. First, I am taking rectangle. Rectangle. What is the length here? L is equal to 3 meters and breadth is equal to 2 meters. Area of rectangle is equal to L into B is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6 meters square. Next I am taking circle. What is the diameter here? D is equal to 1 meter. Then R is equal to D by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 meters. Area of circle is equal to pi r square is equal to 22 by 7 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. It is nothing but 22 by 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28. So area of the circle is 22 by 28 meters. And also area of the rectangle 6 meters square. Now here total possible outcome is nothing but area of the rectangle. Favorable outcomes is nothing but area of the circle. Total possible outcomes N of S is equal area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. What is that? 6 meters square. Next. Number of favorable outcomes is equal to N of E is equal to area of circle is equal to 22 by 28 meters square. Probability to drop on circular region. To drop on circular region, P of E is equal. What is the formula? N of E by N of S. Probability to drop on circular region. What is the formula? P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. N of E means number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes is nothing but area of the circle. What is that here? 22 by 28 by area of rectangle 6. is equal to 22 by 28 into 6. 2 11s are 2 3s are. It is 11 by 84. What is the probability here? 11 by 84. A kitty bag contains 150 paisa coins. So here one kitty bag there. So in that 150 paisa coins are there. Number of solution. Number of 50 paisa coins is equal to 100. Then after 50 1 rupee coins are there. So number of 1 rupee coins is equal to 50. Then after 50 paisa coins 50. Then 1 rupees coins are 20, 2 rupees coins. 2 rupees coins are 20. Then 10 5 rupees coins. Number of 5 rupees coins is equal to 10. So total number of coins 180. Total possible outcomes N of S is equal to 180. So what about the first question? It will be a 50 paisa coins. It will be a 50 paisa coin. It means N of E is equal to, how many 50 paisa coins are there here? 100. It will be. So P of E is equal N of E by N of S is equal to 100 by 180. Here it is equal likely that one of the coin will fall out when bank is turned. So he is reversing the kitty bank. What is the probability to fall down 50 paisa coin? So it will be a 50 paisa coin. What is the probability to fall down 50 paisa coins? That is nothing but 100 by 180. 180 is nothing but total possible outcomes. 100 is number of available outcomes. Second, will not 5 rupees coins. Will not 5 rupees coin means except 5 rupees. We can take anyone. It means we can take 1 rupee coin. Maybe chance there to fall down 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees coins, and also 10 rupees coin. Second, will not be 5 rupees coin. Will not be 5 rupees coin. N of E is equal to, here there are 50 paisa coins are there, 1 rupees coins are there, 2 rupees coins are there, 5 rupees coins are there. What is asking except 5 rupees coins? So we can take maybe chance there to fall 50 paisa coin, 1 rupee coin or 2 rupees coin. So except 5 rupee we can take anyone from this. So N of E is equal to 100 plus 50 plus 20 is equal to 170. So P of E is equal to N of E by N of S is equal to 170 by 180. 0 0 cancel. It is nothing but 17 by 80.